So anyone that knows me knows just how much I love using Canva. And there are so many features buried in this app which are absolute game changers. I want to share one of my absolute favourites with you called Magic Layers. And this will take any image that you've got, even if it's one picture, and it will break it apart into things that you can edit, move and relocate around your page, making anything completely customizable. And all we need to do is tap onto the image on the screen and then press Edit on the toolbar. From here you're going to see Magic Layers on the left-hand side, and when you tap on there, you'll get a kind of blue swiping animation going across your picture as AI is analysing the contents of your image. Now, every time I use this, I think, no, that's never going to work on this particular image, but every single time it does. So when it's finished, you're going to notice loads of little boxes all around my image which just weren't there before. And that's because it's isolated different parts of the picture. So for example, I can tap on here and move the palette from one frame to another. Maybe I can tap on here and delete this frame completely. Of course, we can also resize and rescale, rotate and move any of the objects. And we can even change the layer order. So for example, to move the sloth from this picture frame down to this one, we can make sure the layer is on the top so you can see it on that frame. And then, before you know it, you've created a completely bespoke version of your image using that file that you first uploaded. Now, this image was made using AI, but you could use any picture you want. It even works for photographs, screenshots of PDF documents, anything like that. So give Magic Layers a go, and then check out this video for some more Canva tips and tricks.